if that is the conclusion, we are happy with that right away. The operation is not allowed to operate 3.3 alone.
That's it.
No, they can allow provided a hips there.
Yeah. Provided hips, yeah.
By the way,
Provided hips or reserve PSV. Liquid case PSV.
actually, we discussed 4 proposals. One of them is adding that hips, and another one.
You already have 3 transmitters. One STV, add one more STV, and
Sir, safe for
كان شيل ده سمعت
بس عشان هو راح يجيب كشف.
here skipping over STV will not help, right? Because the upstream of STV is also a small portion. That's what you said.
Regarding our SDV, the new one, we can relocate it upstream, just near to the tie-in point. But
This proposal is not.
I believe from operational point of view, they will not prefer that. But anyway, if this is the issue, we can help with that. We can relocate it. But معلش يا عبد الرحمن شير كده فيها عشان في حاجه
okay, guys, too.
ده واحد او المينتس او whatever او عايز اي حاجه عشان كده لسه
Here,
نخلص من الحاجه.
clarification point.
لون الاكزيستنج يبقى اخر عصب اخر خط عصب
Many before. Yeah, you see, yes.
The thing of multiple.
لا قصدي انا قالت
احنا كده عندنا الريتنج
Multiple initiating.
Multiple initiating event. It's overseen multiple one.
No, one. And initiating.
لا عشان انت بتعمل فيه
Multiple one.
Ministry is always there.
Any one case, one we can take.
There's no parallel. There's no parallel.
كل ده 95 وانا هنقل صدام بوب هنا واجيب ترانسميتر الثانيه
Multiple ones and initiating events. This one.
yes.
Yeah, there are many ones. If any one shutdowns, there's a block.
Exactly.
يحط صدام بوب قبل.
Yes.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, why not? No need to ask for permission. Yes, please.
Clear hips case. This is the clear hips case.
Yeah, sir, he cleared it. Yes.
We can just have
وهب يعني as my colleague have said that we can move this shutdown valve, relocate it in the piping.
Piping portion, yeah. Maybe, yeah.
And adding transmitter voting pressure alarm high 2 out of 3.
That is already there. It is already here.
This low.
the ones are
You can give it configure high also, no problem. That is okay.
But this you need to independent transmitter. This is similar as hips, yeah.
يعني it depends much. It depends on the cell evaluation now. That loop or that additional step will be transmitters and shutdown, whether they are adequate. If we put it and found it adequate, okay.